What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about anything tech related. And today we're going to talk about something different. A lot of people have been asking me about cryptocurrencies, how the whole process works and how they can make money out of crypto. So in this video I'm going to be as less technical as possible for everyone to understand. I'm going to explain what crypto is and how everything operates, but I'm not going to talk about the deep technical things. I'm just going to talk about the basics, all the info that will help you if you want to make money with crypto. And I'll also give you a list of the popular cryptocurrencies at the moment, and we'll also discuss on what causes cryptocurrency values to go up and down as well. So stay tuned. So in basic terms, crypto is basically a digital asset, or in other terms, a digital coin that is given a value. Let's say that you want to buy this tablet, right? And then I'll tell you today that this tablet is going for $100, but I will not give you this tablet, the physical tablet. You just create an account, an online account, and once you pay the amount, your account will reflect that you own a tablet. That's basically what crypto is. So depending with the money that you'll be having, you can choose to buy maybe 20 of these tablets, and in your online account it will reflect that you have 20 tablets. You can also buy half of this depending with the money that you'll be having, as I've mentioned before. So that's basically how the whole system operates. You create an account and you choose the amount of coins that you want to buy. So it differs from coin to coin. There are some coins that will be costing maybe $2,000, some will be costing $100,000, and some will be costing maybe way less. So it all depends with the choice of crypto that you want to purchase. It's just a digital coin that you pay for, and it will reflect on your account, on your online account. And some popular examples of these digital coins are the Bitcoin. That's the most popular one. And we also have Ethereum, we have Binance, we have Dogecoin, we have Litecoin, we have XRP and Chainlink. These are just some of the popular cryptos, but there are a lot of different others in the market. So you can just go and do your research before you do any investing in crypto. So now the question is, how can one make money out of crypto? So I'm going to use an example of this tablet, right? So let's say today that this tablet is going for $100, and then you buy this tablet for that amount today, right? And after 2 weeks, those tablets the value increases maybe to $300. So it means if you sell that tablet on that day when it's costing $300, you will have made a profit of $200 if you subtract 300 minus $100. So that's basically how people trade crypto. So with crypto now, unlike with this tablet will obviously depreciate the value as time goes on, right? But with digital coins now, the value always goes up and goes down as well. So you sell when the prices are high, and you buy those coins back when the prices are low. We'll discuss later on the reasons why they are always going up and down later on in the video. So now, if you want to make actual money, you have to follow the trends. You have to know when the coin will go up and when it will go down, so that you know exactly when to trade, when to sell your coins, and when to buy them back. Because usually the graph of the value of all this crypto is like a sine wave, whereby it goes up and down like this. So it means if you can figure out, if you can predict what will be happening the next day, you'll be able to sell today. And sometimes you might sell and the next day the value will start to increase. So you have to do your proper research, you have to follow the trends, and you have to know exactly what will be happening tomorrow. And the other way people can make money with crypto is by what is called hodling, whereby you just buy crypto. Let's say you just buy a Bitcoin today and you keep it, you don't trade it, and you just wait for the time where it will appreciate. There are a lot of experts that are predicting that in 10 or 20 years to come, the value of crypto in general will be high. So if you're patient enough to ignore all these current trends of up and down and stick with your crypto for maybe 20 or 10 years, you might end up being a billionaire because of the increase of the value over time. And another easier and less riskier way of making money with crypto is by doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's say that I sign up as an affiliate marketer for Bitcoin. What I'll be doing is I'll be selling the idea of investing in Bitcoin to others. And once someone invests in Bitcoin, I'll get a percentage of that investment from Bitcoin because they've recruited someone on their behalf. The percentage is usually very low. Sometimes you get 1%, sometimes you get 2%. But if you manage to recruit a lot of people, you get a large amount of money. And another way of making money in crypto is doing the actual mining. And that's more technical. We're not going to get into that. You will need to purchase some hardware, some computer hardware, and then you join the mining crew, and then from there you'll be able to make money on each transaction that you'll have carried out with your hardware. So that's more technical. Like I said before, that I'm not going to get into the technical part. Okay, moving on. So earlier on in the video, I mentioned that when you're doing trading, you have to look at the trends, and the value is always going up and down. And now let's talk about the reasons why this happens. So the first one is market demand. So each cryptocurrency has its own algorithm that controls the value. So what happens is that if there's a high demand, the value will go up. That's just normal business. Even in the real world with physical products, if there's a high demand, the price will go up. So that is the first reason why it always goes up and goes down. So if there's high demand, the value goes up, and if there's low demand, the value goes down. And number two, current affairs news affect the value of cryptocurrency. If a notable figure comments about a certain crypto coin, that might affect positively or negatively. There was a time when Elon Musk commented on Ethereum, and then the price went up, and then later on he tweeted again on Ethereum, and then it went down. And regulation as well can also affect the value. If there's a certain law that has been put in place which goes against crypto, the value might go down. And if the regulation supports crypto, the value obviously go up. And things like partnership as well. Let's say Bitcoin and Binance are combined to form a partnership. That might attract more people to invest in their coin. And if there's a demand, it means the value will go up. And then new tech as well. If there is a new developments in tech that supports cryptocurrency, the value of all the coins will go up, or the value of a certain crypto will go up. And then we also have competition. Competition also plays a major part in the value of each individual Bitcoin. If there's a new Bitcoin that comes that maybe people trust more, or maybe the company that is behind that Bitcoin is a stable company or a company that people trust, obviously people will move away from those old Bitcoins that they were using before to buy the new Bitcoin that will be new in the market. So that's another reason why crypto values is always going up and down. So this is it. This is all the info that you need for you to start trading. And like I said before, do proper research before you invest your money. And I'm not going to give you any suggestions on the coin to invest your money in. Go and do your own research so that if anything happens with that Bitcoin, it will be on you, not on me. Do proper research. Do proper research. Talk to people that are already in the business and see the one that suits you. And as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe so that you see all our future videos. If you have any question, just write them in the comment section and we will definitely come back and answer that question. And my name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.